iPhone 9 rumors emerge as a dummy video shows us cases of the LCD iPhone and the OLED iPhone X. T-Mobile's Samsung Galaxy units seem to be sending your text messages somewhere else, and the powerful Honor GT was just announced, and boy, it's looking great. I'm Jaime Rivera, and for all the Spanish-speaking audience, sorry for the late upload yesterday of Pocketnow Daily. It took a little bit longer than expected, but it's live. We would really appreciate your support. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today actually don't begin with deals, but we've been hearing questions over the LG V35 ThinQ. We were expecting a review unit, LG. Well, I think everybody is. Nobody's really gotten a review unit of this phone. And still, you can get it at B&H. Pre-orders have begun, $899. I consider it to be expensive, but it's well-spec'd, and hey, I can't wait to either tell you if it's worth it or not when we get a unit. Now let's talk about Honor, as the company has just surprised us with another variant of the Honor X, now the GT variant, with better specifications, same design pretty much. 8 gigs of RAM, cameras are 16 and 24 megapixel selfie camera, Karen 970, and the price tag is below $500. It's actually really cool. You can learn more in the description. Now, for those of you wondering when Apple is going to join the fast charging era, I'm not exactly sure if the company is going to bundle the new adapters that are being teased, but we've got a 15 watt and an 18 watt adapter being shown off with USB-C on one end, and then the US connector. It doesn't necessarily look like if it was an Apple design, but it doesn't look like Apple design either. Whatever the case may be, Apple, do us a favor. If you are not willing to add this into the box, just don't sell it, man. Now, for those of you rocking a Samsung Galaxy Note 8, S9, or S9 Plus on T-Mobile, there is something going on that's kind of creepy, as, well, you know that T-Mobile is merging from SMS to RCS. The changes in this technology are apparently affecting the Samsung messaging application, where this guy recently just reported that all of his messages were forwarded to his girlfriend. And I'm happy for him if none of those messages got him into any trouble. Apparently he's not the only case, and Samsung's already looking into it. You know, buyers beware. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with the iPhone 9, believe it or not. We've been hearing that there are 3 variants of the iPhone X in 2018, the larger, the smaller, and then also the LCD variant, but apparently that LCD variant won't share the same name. It seems that it'll be called the iPhone 9. It'll bring the single camera. There are case renders already on video that show us that there are some, I don't know, minor differences when it comes to externals, with the exception of the camera, obviously, and unless you look at the display. But yeah, iPhone 9. Let us know in the comments, what do you think? Do you think that it's smart for Apple to bring the name iPhone 9 from the middle and just go for it? Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's edition of the Pocketnow Daily up here, and our video of Pocketnow Daily down here for you to give us your impressions as well. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.